What's up, guys? Coming at you with this video on a beautiful Saturday afternoon. Clearly, I have no life. I have nothing better to do on a Saturday than to film YouTube videos, but hey, I'm here for you. Also, repping the Carhartt t-shirt as always. This time it's pink. If you guys didn't know, my wife is pregnant with a girl that's going to be due this coming August, so I had to get the pink Carhartt to show that I'm a girl dad now. This is going to be a super crazy cool video. I wasn't planning on making a video on this because it's such valuable information. I thought maybe I would sell it, but I decided to film it because I want to give you guys a ton of value and make this the most valuable YouTube channel out there on all things SaaS, GoHighLevel, social media marketing. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a ChatGPT appointment booking bot that connects to GoHighLevel. When I started building out this appointment booking bot, it like blew my mind how crazy it is. It's conversational. It can answer any questions that it's asked, and it can get people to book appointments like no other. It's like having a receptionist for your business that can answer all of your texts, emails, DMs on Facebook and Instagram, and get people to book appointments for your business. Super valuable information, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. As always, guys, please remember to like and subscribe, as it really helps out my channel, and I'll keep giving you guys more free content just like this video. All right, guys, so to make this ChatGPT appointment booking bot, we'll need 3 different softwares. First, as always, we'll need GoHighLevel. If you don't have GoHighLevel yet, you can get a 30-day free trial at my link down below this video. We're also going to need a software called Zapier. Zapier is the way that we're going to connect GoHighLevel with ChatGPT. It's kind of the middleman software where we can connect the APIs from ChatGPT and GoHighLevel. And then we're also going to need an account with OpenAI, also known as ChatGPT. All right, so first we're going to go into one of our sub-accounts inside of GoHighLevel, whichever sub-account you want to connect this automation to and this chatbot to. And then we need to set up a few things in this sub account. So the first thing we're going to do is down in the settings, we're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to where it says custom fields. Now we're going to add a custom field by clicking add field. We're going to do multi-line. We're going to hit next, and then we're going to type in for the name response. And then we are going to hit group contact, and then we're going to click save. Now that we've created this custom field down here called response, we can hit go back, and we can go in and we can create our automation for this chatbot. Inside of our automations tab now, we're going to scroll down, and I'm going to open up the first automation. We'll need 2 automations to make this chatbot, and so I'm going to open up my first one right here, and I'm going to show you kind of how it works. So basically, you can trigger this chatbot to work in a few different ways and trigger off of different things. So in my example here, my chatbot triggers off of a form being submitted, and I've created a form called Form 3. It just asks for somebody's name, email, and phone number. So we'll make sure to set it up where the workflow trigger is form submitted. Instead of form submitted on the trigger, you could do somebody booking an appointment on your calendar. You could do a survey being submitted. You could do somebody messaging you in on your chat widget that's on your website. There's a lot of different ways you can have this chatbot start conversating with a lead, but in this example, we have it off of a form being submitted. Then our first action is an introduction text. So this is not the chatbot working quite yet. We want to introduce the chatbot first, and so we have a text that says, "Hey John, this is Wally." You can name the chatbot whatever you want to name it. It's going to be very formal because it is ChatGPT pulling in info and answering people's questions. So people will know that it's probably some sort of artificial intelligence. They'll know that it's not a human, just the way that it talks, very formal and that kind of thing. So I just let my leads know, hey, this is a chatbot. And so this is Wally with Advanced Selling Systems. I saw you submitted a form on our website, and I'm here to answer any questions you have or help you book an appointment. Is there anything I can help with? So that's just a normal automation. That's nothing crazy yet. But then we have a tag that we're going to add to this lead, which is going to be the chatbot tag that we've created. So if you don't have a chatbot tag yet, go create one. You can create it right in here. You can just type in like chat bot, and then you can click add new tag, or you can call it ChatGPT bot like I have. But first, we're going to set up this automation right here, and then we're done here. Make sure to publish that and save. Next, I'm going to go into my other automation, which is the second part of this chatbot, where the chatbot will actually kick in and start messaging with this lead. It's going to be chatbot number 2. So I've got my chatbot 1 that we were just in, and then my chatbot 2 right here. And so this is how this one is going to work. We have 2 triggers here. The first one is customer replied. And so Basically, if a customer replies to the text from the first automation, hey, my name is Wally, blah, 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 then we have a trigger event here that will kick in this bot to start messaging back and forth. And so what we have done here is our workflow trigger is customer replied, and then we've added a filter, the reply channel. And so you can find that down here where it says reply channel is SMS. So it's a text. Basically, we're specifying that we only want this chatbot to message through SMS through our GoHighLevel number. And then I've added another filter, has tagged chatbot. The reason that's important is because we don't want our chatbot to message everybody that messages in on our GoHighLevel number. We only want our cold leads to be messaged by our chatbot. And so it's important that we make sure to add that we only want to message people and respond to people with the chatbot that have the ChatGPT bot tag that we had in the first automation that we built out. So this one's all set up here. And then we have another workflow trigger, which is response changed. Anytime a contact is changed, basically anytime somebody responds with a new message, we want our chatbot to fire off and send a reply again. So it actually has conversation back and forth with the person with the lead. So we have to put in contact change for our other workflow trigger. And then we'll select our filter here, which is going to pull in that custom field that we created at the very beginning of this video, which is response. And so now we've added that custom field right here as our filter. And then we can select has changed, and then we can save this one. And so our next step is going to be an if-else statement. So if you were to go add it, you would type in if-else and select that, which will give us this right here. And then we can go in and we can create two different branches. We have our first segment right here, which is customer replied. So just name that customer replied. And then right here, you need to add in workflow trigger, which I already have selected, and then is, and then customer replied. So make sure to select that for that one. And has the tag, so go down to where it says tags, includes, and then chatbot tag, because we only want this to work on people that are tagged with that chatbot tag, not just everybody who's messaging us at our GoHighLevel number. And then you're going to come here and you'll click like add branch. It'll be right here under add segment, which will give us this branch right here. And this one's going to be response change. So anytime this lead texts us back, that's a response changing. And so we're going to do the same thing, workflow trigger right here is, and then response changed for this one. And has the tag chatbot. So tag includes chatbot. And then we are all set up right here with our condition. And you can see what that will look like here. And then our first step over on the customer replied side is going to be send webhook. And so you can find this action right here by typing in webhook. And it's not going to be the custom webhook. It's just going to be the regular webhook, which we already have right here. So I'm going to exit out of this. And then inside of this, this is where we need to connect our Zapier workflow to our automation here. And this is what's going to make it go around and work and have that chatbot message back and forth with our leads. You're going to type in here, send webhook through ChatGPT. And for the method, we're going to do post. And then this link right here is actually a link that we're going to go in and get from Zapier. And so you won't be able to do this yet. So we're going to get this link from Zapier, which will trigger our webhook right here. Basically what a webhook is it'll send info over to another software, grab whatever data we need, which is ultimately connecting GoHighLevel to ChatGPT so that it can respond to our leads. But we're going to grab this link over in Zapier and we're going to create that Zapier workflow in Zapier right now. Once you're inside of your Zapier account, you're going to hit create. And then our first action in this Zap is going to be webhook by Zapier. For our event right here, we're going to choose catch hook and then we're going to hit continue. And then you don't need to put anything here. You can hit continue again. And right here is where we get that link that we need to copy. And then we need to jump back into GoHighLevel and we need to paste that link right in here. I already have mine pasted, but right now go ahead and paste yours in here and then save the action. That's all you need to do for this one. But then once you've pasted that link in right here, we're going to cancel out of this and we need to go to the response changed branch now. And then you're just going to add an action right here, just like I have, which will be send SMS. So if I show you here, it'll be send SMS. You can name this one to say send response. And then right here, you're going to go to custom values. You're going to go to contact and then over, and you're going to scroll down to custom fields. And then we're going to grab that custom field that we created at the very beginning of this video, which was response. And we're just going to paste that in there. That's all you need to do for this one. Our webhook that we've set up will pull in whatever response ChatGPT gives us and paste it right in here in this custom field. and then you're just going to hit save action. I've already set mine up right here. One other thing I just thought of that we need to do is we need to go to the settings of this automation right here, and we need to make sure that allow multiple is toggled on so that this automation will keep working for every new message that we get from this particular lead. We want it to keep going so ChatGPT will keep responding. So make sure to toggle on allow multiple right here. And then we're just gonna save this workflow. And then you're gonna wanna go in and make sure you test the workflow, because over here in Zapier, it's gonna ask us to test this trigger once we've pasted it into GoHighLevel. And so we actually need to test it. And so go to test workflow, type in, your info or whatever, and then have it run a test. Once you've run your test here, it should go through. If this test workflow button isn't working and it's not showing up in Zapier that the test went through, what you can do is from our first automation, it triggered off of a form being submitted. And so just in case, you can go into your form. For me, it's going to be form number 3 right here. It just asks for name, email, phone number. I can go integrate form right here. I can open the form link, and then I can actually submit my info just so we can test it out and make sure the test actually goes through. Once that's submitted, I'm going to get a text on my phone from this first automation right here, which is going to be, hey, Jasper, this is Wally with Advanced Selling Systems. And then I'm going to want to respond to this text right here. So then it will fire off and bring this lead, which is myself in this case, to our second automation. It'll fire off of this trigger right here, customer replied. And then if we jump back in to Zapier and we test the trigger, it should work now. And you'll see for this one, it pulls in all of my info because I'm the lead that submitted the form. Name, email, phone number. I have the ChatGPT bot tag. And then you'll see all this info from your lead. And then you can hit continue. And then our second action here is going to be open AI, ChatGPT 3, and DALL-E. And then we can go right here. For our event, we're going to do send prompt. So basically, we want to prompt ChatGPT to write and respond in a way that we choose. And so we'll hit continue here, and then you'll have to connect your ChatGPT account. You can choose your account and log in. If you've never done this before, never used Zapier, you'll have to jump over into your ChatGPT account and get an API key, but you'll want to copy the API key over here and you'll want to paste it in, and then it'll automatically connect your ChatGPT account to Zapier. But I already have mine connected right here, so I'm just going to choose this. And then I'm going to hit continue. And then we're just going to keep this selected right here. And then we're going to write the prompt. And so what we're going to do is we're going to say reply to, and then we're going to scroll down here and show more options. And we're going to reply to the message body. So whatever this lead texts us is going to be the message body right here. So in this example, I texted back, hey. And so ChatGPT will reply to this message, hey, right here. And then we can prompt it to say whatever else we want. We can say, you are an appointment booking bot and your goal is to answer any questions you are asked and get someone to book an appointment with our business. This is a very basic prompt. You can prompt ChatGPT as crazy as you want, but we're just going to use this basic prompt for this example. If you are one of my affiliates of GoHighLevel, I will send you the prompt that I use personally for my ChatGPT bot. It is very valuable information, and you can mess around and figure it out yourself, but the prompts that I use are super good for the appointment booking bot. And so if you're one of my affiliates, reach out to me and I'll show you which prompts I use for my bot. And then right here, the temperature, which is basically the creativity of ChatGPT answering the responses. 7 is pretty good. If you put in like 1 right here, then ChatGPT will be really risky and like really creative with what it responds back to the person. But I'd say we should keep this right around like 0.7 or 0.8. And then the maximum length, you can have ChatGPT only write a few sentences or a certain amount of like characters, so letters. But I'll just leave this blank for now. Let it be as long as it needs to respond to the person and answer their question. Stop sequence, you don't have to mess with. Top P, just keep at 1. And then all of this you can keep the same and hit continue. And then you can then test the action and see how ChatGPT will respond to this message, hey, that I sent, as if I were a lead. And then ChatGPT will respond, hi there, I'm here to help you book an appointment with our business. Please let me know what type of appointment you would like to book and any additional information that might be helpful. I'm here to answer any questions you have. So it's working really well. If I, as the lead, were to text back, ChatGPT would create a custom response to whatever question I asked. It's really cool. Once you like the response, awesome. We're going to go down and we are going to add another step to this Zap. So after ChatGPT creates the response for the text that it received, we need to send it back into GoHighLevel. And so we're going to type in lead connector right here, which lead connector is the same thing as GoHighLevel. That's what it's called inside of Zapier. And so that's going to be our third action. So we've got the webhook, sends it to ChatGPT, and then we're going to send it back to GoHighLevel. And so we're going to connect it to our account. If you haven't done this yet inside of Zapier, you'll also have to grab your API keys, which are inside of your GoHighLevel account, copy it, and then paste it into Zapier here to connect your GoHighLevel account with Zapier. But the event right here is going to be add/update contact. And then we're going to choose our account right here. I'm just going to connect mine. And then we're going to hit continue again. And then ChatGPT needs to know who it's responding to, so it can recognize back and forth the person that it's responding to and sending messages to. And so for first name right here, we're just going to go down to where we caught the webhook and we tested it out. And so for first name, I'm just going to do my first name here. Then we're going to go through and fill out each of these. We're going to do last name, and then we're going to do full name, and we're going to just fill all of these out using our webhook that we tested at the very beginning of this Zapier workflow. Phone number we're going to find right here. Email we're going to find right here, and then we don't need to do address, city, state. It'll already have enough info and recognize through first name, email, and phone number who the person is that it's talking to, and so it'll be fine there. And then tags, this one's important because we need to specify that it's only the person with the ChatGPT bot tag that we want to respond to and use this bot for. And so we're going to scroll down to where it says tags and then ChatGPT bot, and then we need to mark our lead as true. Then all this stuff doesn't really matter too much until we get down to response. Click send prompt in OpenAI, and then we're going to go to show all options, and then we're going to scroll down to where it says choices text, and then we're going to select that, and then we're going to hit continue, and then we can publish our Zap. Now that our Zap is published and we have everything set up just like this inside of ChatGPT, you can test this automation out. Go in and submit the form from this first automation that you created, whatever form you're using. Go in, test it out for yourself, submit the form. Once you get this intro text from whatever you name your chatbot, text it back, and ChatGPT will then message with you back and forth. Now I'm in my conversations tab in GoHighLevel, and I'm going to test the chatbot now. I'm going to say, hey, can I book an appointment? And then we'll give it like 5 seconds. Here's my message that I just sent from my phone, and I'm not doing anything. Within like 5 to 10 seconds, ChatGPT will write a response and a reply to this message right here. And then you can see here the chatbot tells a little bit about our business. We would be happy to help you book an appointment to discuss how advanced selling systems can help you meet your marketing goals. Feel free to book a call with us at the link below. And then I could ask it just like weird off the wall questions. I could ask it like, what is the best breakfast food? And then it'll like answer literally whatever questions you want to ask it. I know a lead probably wouldn't be asking questions like this, but I just want to show you how cool it is that it's actually ChatGPT, which can read the entire internet responding, and it will respond just like it shows here. Depends on your preferences, but a classic breakfast combination of eggs, bacon, and toast is always a safe bet. As far as advanced selling systems goes, it's an all-in-one marketing suite. So it tries to get them back on track and get them to book a call. But yeah, it'll answer any questions that you ask it. And so really, really cool for booking appointments with leads, and it works super seamlessly. And it's really cool because your leads will be more intrigued to respond to a cold text message that they get if they know it's an AI bot that they're talking to. It's almost like a game where they'll be like, oh, I want to see if I can break this thing. I want to see what kind of questions it can answer. It'll just show that your business is up to date with technology and that you guys are ahead of the game. There are very few businesses out there doing this. If you're doing SaaS or SMMA with GoHighLevel, you could easily sell this to businesses and say, hey, we'll implement a ChatGPT bot that will book appointments with your clients, whether they come in through a form being filled out or they message you on the chat widget on your website, or you just create a contact in your system. We can text them back and forth and get them to book appointments with you for your business. And so you could sell something like that for easily $500 a month. because this could really replace the job of like a VA or a receptionist at their office. And so go out and sell this to businesses and make a bunch of money with it. Well, there you have it, guys. This ChatGPT appointment booking bot is only going to get better as ChatGPT continues to make updates. Right now inside of Zapier, ChatGPT 3 is the only version available, but as ChatGPT 4 APIs come out and connect with Zapier, the chatbot is only going to get better with responding to leads and booking appointments for your business. It really is incredible what technology is doing. And so go out and sell this as one of your SaaS or SMMA services that you offer, and you're going to make a bunch of money with this. If you guys haven't started using GoHighLevel yet, you want to start a SaaS or a social media marketing agency, you can get a 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel down below this video. To be transparent with you, it's my affiliate link. So if you sign up with that link, I'll give you as much one-on-one help as you need for free, help you start your SaaS or your social media marketing agency, and I would love to work with you. Also, if you have no idea where to start with GoHighLevel with your agency, you can get my SaaS masterclass down below. It goes through step-by-step on setting up your entire SaaS or SMMA business from scratch, and it's completely free, so go access that down below. I really appreciate you guys sticking around to the end of this video. As always, please remember to like and subscribe as it helps out my channel immensely, and I will keep giving you guys amazing free content like this video. Other than that, see you guys in the next video. Peace.